The Samsung washing machine E3 error code indicates that the machine's drum is overflowing with water for the current program, meaning the water used exceeds the machine's needs. When this issue is detected, the machine opens the drain system to remove excess water and displays the E3 error code on the control panel. This problem can be caused by several factors, including water flowing back from the sewer through the drain hose, often due to incorrect connection, a faulty inlet valve that fails to regulate water intake, or poor quality or excessive detergent powder that produces excessive suds. To fix the issue, if water is flowing back from the sewer, running a dry wash without laundry and ensuring the drain hose is correctly connected and not blocked can resolve the problem. If the issue is due to poor quality or excessive detergent, draining the machine, removing laundry, and running a dry wash cycle with the correct detergent dosage can help. In cases where the inlet valve is faulty, it is necessary to call a specialist for repair. If none of these solutions work, it is recommended to contact qualified personnel to repair the Samsung washing machine and resolve the E3 error code issue.